So we have with us Mr. J Venkatramu, MD and CEO, India Post Payments Bank. Hello, sir. Welcome at the third edition of ET BFSI Converge. First thing first, you had a session, and the theme of the event and the topic of your session was something which is very common, thriving about digital world. Any key takeaways that you would like to share with us?
Oh, I think it's an opportune moment to discuss about digital, and that too post-COVID. I think digital has permeated in everyday life of us, and how we can leverage digital as a medium to make our lives better, and more importantly, to make our customers' lives better, is a point of discussion. And we're happy to hear from various other speakers about what the industry is focusing on. I think there is been unison in terms of safeguarding the customer interest and keeping customer in the center in terms of utilizing these digital technologies. And the future holds good for us if we can work towards this and make this better for our customers.
Okay. And lastly, what does it take to unlock the potential of banking as a service in this country?
Okay, I think today one of the important problem statement for everyone is how do we consume this technology? Not having proper technology talent, and at the same time you have big tech companies who are working traditionally with banks, probably not able to do enough in terms of understanding the customer requirements, and more importantly, the principles of design thinking has not been put into use. This challenge partly lies with banks and partly lies with all those technology companies who've been working with banks. But fortunately, there have been new set of players in the form of fintechs who have come and who have not only solved the problem of consumption of technology, but they're able to solve the problems of customers when it comes to customer experience. So I think the question is about how fintechs and banks can collaborate in making this much better for customers. So there, possibly banking as a service has a bigger role to play. But at the same time, we should be cognizant of the fact that there cannot be any arbitrage in terms of the licensing and regulation. So each one of them will have to undertake their own responsibility and safeguard the customer interest, and more importantly, not dilute the compliance norms. So as long as these things are taken care of, it's more about how you utilize the capability of technology and better the product innovation, better value creation, better customer experience, and better customer service. So all these fundamental principles will always remain. So possibly banks and fintechs will have to collaborate more in this direction to deliver better for the customer.